This Milwaukee school was being deep cleaned for fall. Hours later, it was burning. The cause? Used rags thrown into plastic trash cans. No electrical short, no open flame, no spark. How can a rag start a fire? Certain oils keep reacting with oxygen after the job is done. That reaction makes heat. Spread the rags out and heat escapes. Pile them together and they insulate themselves. No spark required. The prevention is simple. Know the product, follow the SDS, and put oily rags in an approved, covered metal container. But here's what's remarkable. In 1922, a fire hazard inspection of the school found oily rags in a chute. A rag doesn't need a spark to start a fire. It just needs the wrong conditions. Legends Labs, where real-world problems meet real-world science.